Hi students, how are you? I hope you are all good and doing well in your studies. Today you are going to learn English grammar MCQs with answers and explanation. The first MCQs is she dash her husband for 15 minutes. Options are A is beating, B has been beating, C has been beaten, and D beats. The correct option is B has been beating. Why option B is correct? Because this sentence is about past perfect continuous, and past perfect continuous tense is used when a work is being continued for some time from the past. So here she is beating for past 15 minutes. So that's why the correct answer is has been beating. We use past perfect continuous tense. The next question is, our teacher teaches mathematics dash English. Option A across, option B besides, option C beside, option D both. The correct option is besides. Besides means in addition or apart from, and beside means at the side or next to. Other two options, across and both, doesn't make sense if put in the sentence. So the correct word will be besides. Our teacher teaches mathematics besides English. Third MCQs, please come dash the bathroom. Options are out of, option B over, option C on, option D in. The correct option is please come out of the bathroom. The other options over, in, and on are incorrect. The next MCQs is, please don't make laugh dash both beggars. Option A for, option B against, option C at, and option D from. The correct option is at. Laugh at means to make fun of. Hence, at is the correct answer. MCQs number 4. Please stop dash so many mistakes. Option A to make, option B make, option C making, and option D makes. The correct answer is making. Please stop making so many mistakes. Thank you for watching this lecture. If you find this lecture helpful, do like, share and subscribe my channel for more lectures. Thank you.